Example 1.7 students, they given n of a is equal to 10, n of a intersection b is equal to 3, n of a intersection b, the whole dash intersection a is not, I need to find. Simply I can write the answer 10 minus 3 equals 7, that's all. Simply I can write the answer as 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. If it is 2 mark, but I need to explain no. So I will start to explain the sum. How the 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. I can stop this here. 10 minus 3 equals 7. 10 minus, I have finished the sum. I can stop. But I need to explain no. So I will move inside the sum. What I am going to see, one side and diagram, the same diagram what I put two sums before. One sum or two sums before, I think so. I have choose this one is a minus b. I have told this one is a minus b. This one is a minus b. This a minus b, that is n of a minus b, I written n of a minus n of a intersection b. This n of a minus b, I can write n of a intersection b dash. This one is a minus b, no, this one is a minus b. This n of a minus b, I can write n of a intersection b. N of a intersection b also n of a minus n of a intersection b. Also I was telling that n of a minus b is equal to n of a intersection b. First, how are you going to say, leave n is no problem, leave it n. A minus b is equal to a intersection b dash. How you can choose? This a minus b is going to be a intersection b, sir. I will teach you. See, a intersection b, I will prove now. A intersection b. A intersection b dash. First I put the diagram. Two diagrams I am going to put. First I am going to take only a. I am going to take only a. Shade only a. I have shaded a. Next b dash. I am going to choose b dash. What is my b dash? Delete b. Leaving b, I can shade all the elements. Leaving b, I should not shade b. B dash. This one is a. This one is b dash. What is the b dash? I should not shade b. Deleting b. B dash means deleting b. I need to shade remaining thing. The remaining thing is this one. I left b. I remain shade. So this one is a. This one is b dash. For a and b dash, what is present here? Intersection. I want to find the common things between these two. What is the common here? See here. What is common here? Here off a current, off a shade. Here inside shade, here no shade. So what is the common? This area is common here. This is the only common thing. So same no. A minus b is same to, this is a intersection b dash. A intersection b dash. A minus b and a intersection b dash both are same. So as both are same, I can use this formula. N of a intersection b dash equal to n of a minus n of a intersection b. You can simply say 10 minus 3 equals 7. But see how the sum is. I will move inside the sum. N of a intersection b, the whole dash intersection a. See students, what is a intersection b dash? You are studying the De Morgan's law. And there is no space to write. De Morgan's law of complementation. A intersection b, the whole dash is equal to a dash union b dash. This is De Morgan's law. A intersection b, the whole dash is equal to a dash union b dash. The same n, open the bracket, a intersection b dash, I can write a dash union b dash intersection a. This a intersection b, the whole dash I have written a dash union b dash intersection a. Now see, don't write n now. Don't need to write the n now. Leave the n as it is. A dash union b dash intersection a. Take a dash intersection a. A dash intersection a. A dash intersection a. Next union. Next union. You need to write union. B dash intersection a. B dash intersection a. This next one. B dash intersection a. You know, put now n and n here. I forgot to put n. Now I need to put n. I am not having space, so I have congested to put n, but I have space here. N and put n because n is present outside. No, put n here and n here. This one is empty set. A intersection a dash intersection a. A dash intersection a is nothing but empty set. Union of n of b dash intersection a. This empty set union with this set is nothing, no. So I can write this set as it is. N of b dash intersection a, I can write a intersection b dash because intersection is commutative. A intersection b, I can write b intersection a. just B intersection B dash intersection A, I can write A intersection B dash. See, what is n of A intersection B dash formula? I have written the formula n of A minus n of A intersection B. What is n of A? 10. What is n of A intersection B? 3. 10 minus 3, 7. So, I have taken nearly 5.5 minutes to finish this sum. Within 10 seconds I can finish it. 10 minus 3 equals 7. 10 minus. But I need to explain is a proper sum you want to do in this method only. No other way. You do in this method. I teach you, so you can learn and do this sum in this way. So, okay, students, thank you. This sum is over.